Hello and welcome. I am Tahir from tocreateablog.com. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can create a beautiful photography website using WordPress and Genesis framework. And I will use MBS Pro theme. There are different themes available for Genesis framework and you can use any theme of your choice. You can also use free or premium WordPress themes, but I am going to use this MBS Pro theme from Genesis StudioPress, which is a great theme to create beautiful responsive website. You can find link in video description to download this theme. Although you can find some free themes at WordPress plugin directory, but there are some drawbacks of using free themes. They are not updated on regular basis and there might be some security issues. But Genesis is a very powerful and very popular framework from WP Engine, and it makes it really simple and easy to create beautiful, fully responsive, SEO friendly websites. So that's why I'm going to use Genesis framework and Ambience Pro theme. It is available at StudioPress. You can find link in video description, and it would cost you $100. But if you are a WP Engine hosting member, WP Engine user, you don't need to pay extra to download or use these themes because all WP Engine users can use all 35 plus StudioPress themes and Genesis framework free of cost. So here you can see we have Interior Pro, Wellness Pro, and many other themes. So you can download all these themes free of cost from your WP Engine user dashboard or user portal. Log into your WP Engine user portal, go to themes page, and then you can download Genesis framework and all other themes of your choice to create beautiful websites. So let's start creating our website. When you will sign up for WP Engine, they will automatically create a website for you and you will receive login information in your WordPress dashboard. But it doesn't matter if you are using any other hosting provider. You can always use Genesis framework and child themes for Genesis framework on your favorite hosting provider. I am using WP Engine. Now, first of all, we can install Genesis framework. If I go to themes page, you will have to click this add new button and then upload your child theme. Click on this upload theme button and choose your framework. In my case here you can see Genesis framework, but it is already installed on my website. Let's go back to themes page. So now I can activate Genesis framework. When you will activate Genesis framework, you will see this message. Please activate a Genesis child theme. We have noticed you are using the Genesis framework parent theme alone. We strongly recommend you run a Genesis child theme with it. So now I am going to use a Genesis child theme to create a beautiful photography website. And now I am going to install Ambience Pro theme. Let's go to themes, click add new, and then we need to upload Ambience Pro theme. So I'm going to choose my file. Let's choose Ambience Pro and click open. And now I'm going to click install now button to install this theme. After installing this theme, you will have to activate this theme. So I'm going to activate this theme. Now you can see Ambience Pro has been activated. So let's visit front end of our website. After activating this theme, we need to publish some blog post and we can also customize our website. So if you click customize button, you will be redirected to this screen. First of all, we can add a background image. So let's try to add a background image. and we can upload an image. Now you can also add alt text, title, caption, and description for this image. Now you can choose this image, and now you can see we have this beautiful background for our website. Let's go back, and now we have some more settings. We can also add a header image, and we have theme SEO settings, theme settings, and homepage settings. So you can easily customize your website. Let's change title. You can also add your site title. After making all these changes, you can click publish button. Let's go back, and now I'm going to publish some blog posts. So you can go to post and click add new to create a new post. Now enter title for your post. I'm going to give it a title of first image. Let's click, and now I can upload my image. Now I can also add alt text for this image. Then we can choose size, and we have some other settings. Then we have this document settings. We can add a category. We can also add tags, and we have some other options. You can also add featured image. So if you want to set featured image, you can go to media library and select a featured image, or you can also upload a new featured image. And then you can click publish button. Now let's visit front page of our website, and you can see this beautiful post with large image and title. This post doesn't have a featured image, so let's add a featured image for this post as well. This is a default post, so we can also edit this post. Let's go to edit page. Now I'm going to select a featured image. Let's upload a new image, and now let's update this post. Let's visit front page again, and now you can see we have these two beautiful posts at our front page. Now you just need to publish some blog posts, and your website is ready. You can also create menu. So to create a new menu, go to appearance and go to menus page. Currently we don't have any menu, so I am going to create a menu for header. Click create menu button, and now you can add sample page and some other pages. Currently we only have sample page, so let's add this sample page to menu and select header menu for display location and click save menu button. Now let's refresh our page, and you can see we have this sample page. So it's time to edit this sample page. Click edit button. We can rename this to about, and for permalink we also need to rename this permalink to about. You can also set featured image and some other settings, and you can click update button. Now if you will scroll down, you can also see SEO settings for this page. To optimize your content for search engines, you can add a custom title for your page. You can also add meta description and keyword for your blog post or page. Then we have some other settings related to SEO. Now let's preview this page. So here you can see it's difficult to read text on this with this background image. So always choose an image for background that is great and that doesn't conflict with your text or text color. WordPress also allows you to change your text background. So if I select this paragraph, you can see this color settings option. So I can choose a color setting. I can choose different color for background. Let's try this one. For second paragraph, I'm going to go to styles. Okay, we have advanced option. Okay, then we have this area, so we can just change size but we cannot change color. But for paragraph we have color settings. And now it is easy to read, but we need to change color for these sections. Once your your about page is ready, you also need to create a contact page. So let's click add new button to add a new contact us page. But before adding contact us page, we will have to install a plugin to create a contact us page. Because does not have WordPress needs a contact form plugin to create contact forms. So let's go to add new plugin and search for contact form 7. This plugin has 5 million plus active installations. So let's install this plugin and activate. Now you can see this contact link in our menu. So let's go to contact forms and copy this shortcode. Now in this page we need to paste this shortcode, contact us, and then we have to add shortcode. Let's click publish button to publish this page. And now you can see our contact us page is ready. But we need to add this link in our menu. So go back to appearance and menus page. Select this contact us page and click add to menu button and save your menu. After saving your changes, visit front end again. Now you can see we have about us and contact us page. And finally, we can also edit our footer section. So let's see how you can edit it. Click on this customize link, or if you are in WordPress dashboard, go to appearance and customize. Now go to theme settings and you can see this footer option. Click on it and now we can customize our footer. So if you want to remove this Ambience Pro on Genesis Framework link, you just need to remove this section. And we have copyright and logout link. We can click publish button to save our changes. And that's all. This is how you can easily create photography website using Genesis framework in WordPress. Thank you very much for watching this video.